Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of the Afikim S4-HD model.
Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. You wanna get out, but you're stuck in the house. You can't really walk and you need to get around. Well, come on down to Mobility Direct. They get you in a scooter, it'll only take a sec. You're dealing with the best, got prices for less. The park or the beach, we put the scooters to the test. And our mobility scooters ride all day long. That's because they run on Dakota Lithium. Man, come on, we could go for miles and miles. So much better.
Alright, now what makes the Afiscooter S-HD special is that it has a 200 amp controller. It works on 100 amp breakers. It's got oversized thick gauge wires and it can hold up to 600 pounds. It's got bigger, beefier suspension coils, and no other scooter can really support 600 pounds and handle the inclines that this monster can handle, as you saw in the previous action shots that we just did. Now, before we get too far into this video, I do want to mention just a few quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our brand new product catalog, all you have to do is go on over to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway program. That's right, once a month we give away a powered mobility product to a random subscriber of our YouTube channel. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? You could be the next lucky winner. All you have to do is just hit that subscribe button. Not only will you get notified when we release epic content, you'll also potentially be the next winner of our giveaway. Now, we really do have epic content. I mean, we towed a semi-truck, a Freightliner with this scooter, and I'm throwing that on the screen. This thing is a beast. There's no other scooter like it. And we have tons of videos of all the different Afiscooter models, not only the HD, which comes with the 24-inch wide seat standard. As you can see in the back here, it's got the traditional Afiscooter with the HD little part of the logo there. And it is dirty. We did take it off-road and we really went mudding with it. We took it up really steep inclines. It can handle up to a 20-degree incline, depending on the weight and the terrain type. If it's on grass versus pavement, it's going to be a little harder to make it up 20 degrees. But, I mean, this thing is powerful. So, I'm going to put a couple of links in the description so you could check out our playlist. We have hundreds of videos on all the Afiscooter models. So this is the HD four-wheel setup. It has the golf tires in the back, which are super wide. It's got enough traction on there to pretty much go on the beach. Here in Southwest Florida, we have pretty compact sand on our beaches and it handles well. Now, if you're on a sugar soft sand type of beach, it might not work, but really there's no other scooter that performs as well here in our beaches with the compact sand. Now, over here we have the standard S model with the weather canopy and the rain sides, which makes it almost a completely enclosed vehicle. So as you can imagine, when it's raining, this is the way to go. You can undo these flaps here that are being held up with some Velcro, zip yourself up, and now you're protected from the elements. So when it's raining, and here in Southwest Florida, we're in a subtropical climate, we get storms all the time, this is a must-have. Not only that, this model, we're going to come back around to the front, is equipped with a 2-person seat. So you've got a 33-inch wide ortho seat. That's another upgrade option. So between the 2-person seat, the rain sides, which is another upgrade, and the weather canopy, which you need in order to attach the rain sides, you've got 3 plus their golf tires. That's 4 upgrades. Now, I do want to mention something. We are the only dealer in the United States capable of adding lithium batteries by Dakota to your scooter before it ships, and it will not void your warranty. Let me repeat that. Any other dealer that sells you a lithium powered Afikim scooter, you're voiding the warranty. We have an exclusive agreement with Afikim and Dakota. We're the only dealers capable of selling Dakota lithium batteries in the mobility industry. You can check out the custom options when you're checking out online or when you call our non-commissioned sales experts. You can get up to just about 100 miles per charge with the right lithium battery upgrade. It's amazing. We beat a world record. We went over 200 miles with lithium batteries non-stop, and that video is on our YouTube channel as well. All right, now these are the 4-wheel models. We do have 3-wheel models. These are the full-size. S model stands for like the full-size standard model. We do have a C model, which is the compact version that I'm going to throw on the screen. The C model also comes available in a 3 or a 4-wheel configuration. The difference between the 3 and 4 is that the 3-wheel will have a better turning ability, whereas the 4-wheel is going to handle better off-road on uneven terrains. Now they both handle really well, but if you need that extra turning and maneuverability indoors, I would recommend the 3-wheel C model. Now with the C model, you can't get the golf tires, you can get the weather canopy, but you're limited with the upgrade options. So give us a call. Our sales experts, again, they're non-commissioned, they're not aggressive. They're gonna answer any questions that you have and help you find the right product that suits your needs. All right, so let's talk about comfort adjustment features. You've got flip-up armrests on this model. The armrests are not width adjustable, but if you get the S model or the C model, you can adjust the distance between each armrest, and you've got a height adjustable headrest. It is a captain seat, super comfortable. Now the seat can rotate, which is really nice. So when you're ready to get in and out of the chair, you can rotate it, and it also has an additional lever right in the middle, which you can use to bring the seat forward or back. So not only can you adjust the depth of the seat like that, but you can also use this lever right here to bring the handlebar closer to you, further away from you, and the seat comes right off, which is really nice. So when you're ready, you pick the seat up and you can fold the handlebar all the way down, roll this thing into the back of a van with the ramp. And it's pretty compact. We have all the specifications on our website, and I'm gonna throw them on the screen just for a moment so you can pause, review all the specifications, go back. You can download a specification sheet. We have the link in the description of the video as well. Something else that's pretty awesome about these scooters is it has not 1, but 2 USB charging ports right here. So if you have a cell phone and a tablet, or if you have the 2-person seat, you can charge your cell phone and your riding partner's cell phone as well. Just bring your 2 charging cables. That's the charging port, so you don't have to reach down low. It comes with a barrel connector with 3 pins. There's no wrong way to plug it in. It's super convenient and easy to use. Now when you're getting ready to turn it on, you just hit the ignition over to the right. You've got a forward and a reverse switch, a half speed, and a full speed switch. You can stop in the middle and kind of control your top speed that way. So you've got 3 different speed modes. You've got a horn, and it does have a pull throttle little handle there. So you need to use your right hand on this particular model. However, with the C model, you can control it with the left or the right side. It has a lever system that kind of works like a teeter-totter paddle system, which I'm throwing on the screen for you to check out. So again, the S model, you will need to use your right hand. It does have a supplementary brake handle for the S model, and that's just going to help you slow down sooner and come to a stop sooner than what the automatic brakes can do. With the automatic brakes, I'm going to show you really quick. It does come to a stop as soon as you let go of the throttle, but it does take about a second for it to stop. So while you're moving, you just let go of the throttle and it stops. It's locked in, so it's in park mode every time you let go of the throttle. And as soon as you use the throttle, you can hear the brakes, the automatic brakes disengage. Aside from that, you have a nice light kit, which we'll throw on the screen a night shot of it here for a second, but I'll just turn them on really quick. You can see the front lights kind of look like a light bar on a nice aggressive off-road truck. It's not your average little rinky-dink headlight that you see on most little travel scooters. It has a full light kit, turn signals, rear lights, front lights. It's got it all. So something else that's pretty nice is you've got a locking front storage. There's your charger. You plug it into the wall with one cable, and then the other end, like I was saying, it's a barrel connector. So you just take this barrel connector and that plugs into the charging port. Now it's got a really nice system on here that tells you with lights how far the charging status is as it's charging, from 30 to 50 to 70 to 85 all the way to 100. Now you should never really let it get down all the way down to 30 or less. You should always start charging it around 50 or a little bit higher. When you first get it, charge it regularly. Just like anything with a battery, you want to break in those batteries, and over time the scooter will reach its maximum distance. Now starting range on these models will be about 25 miles, give or take, depending on the load and the terrain and what battery options you choose. You can upgrade from 75 amp hour sealed lead acid to 100 amp hour, and you'll get about 35 miles with the sealed lead acid upgrade, give or take. With the Dakota lithium upgrades, I already told you, you can get almost 100 miles with the biggest ones. So you've also got not one, but 2 cup holders. So again, if you get the 2-person seat, both of you have a cup holder to put your coffee or your alcoholic beverage, wine, whatever you like. Be careful scooting and driving while drinking. I don't condone it, it's not recommended, and most likely not legal in some states. So again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. If you want to learn more, please visit our YouTube channel playlist for the Afikim scooters. We also have a comparison video of all of the top heavy-duty off-road scooters of 2023, which you can click right there, and that'll take you to watch that video. Until next time, everybody, please don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section below. We answer all of our comments, and our non-commissioned sales experts would love to earn your business. If you give them a call, not only do we offer tax-free sales, free shipping, we offer awesome discounts year-round. mobilitydirect.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.